Hi guys, welcome to Southdown.com. This is Mohit Soni. What you're looking at is the brand new BMW G310R, the BS6 version. It's been awaited for a really long time. We've been waiting since April to come. It's finally here and it looks absolutely fantastic in this titanium grey scheme along with the red and white stripes that you can see all along. What is the new addition? The switch gear is changed here. There are adjustable levers on both ends. That is the major change here. It gets an LED DRL here and full all lights are LEDs as well. Golden color fork, red alloy wheels, red frame, along with all of these colors make it literally stand apart. Now the basic bike which is standing there, it looked good, it looked very classic and very let's say normal. This now looks like a proper BMW motorcycle if you ask me, and that's kind of the reaction we're getting at the showroom as well. It looks very very sporty now. The BMW Andheri Motorrad showroom has already received 200 bookings, which is fantastic. Let me just revise the price for you. This is 2,45,000 ex showroom, and for the Bombay guys, this is 3,70,000 on road. I think that's a fantastic value for money proposition. They're offering EMIs and a lot of things that we've already said on our website. That's the LED tail lamp. That's the same exhaust. That's the same instrument cluster. And this is the button to control everything: grips, engine, trip, range. You're getting everything here. Let me just give you a small idea of what the exhaust note is, which is pretty much the same, but since you guys keep on asking for it, let's go for it. So I think it sounds much more smoother and linear than before. Again, it makes the same 34 bhp and 28 Nm of torque. It's now BS6 compliant. It looks amazing, as you can see. It looks much more sportier than before. This titanium grey with the red and white, nobody can thought that it can look good. It actually is coming together really well. That's the reverse inclined exhaust note, which helps it gain much more mass centralization. That's the keyhole for to remove the seat. You still get Michelin sport tires here on both ends, 110 section at the front and the 150 section at the back. These tires are pretty good. They are very high on longevity. I've tested them on my KTM and they're very very impressive when it comes to longevity and grip. Not the best tires though, but then it's a good balance of grip on wet and dry roads and longevity at the same time. Again, very high quality, well finished motorcycle. It does look like an absolute premium offering. BMW saying they have reduced the service cost as well, so that makes this motorcycle quite a value for money proposition. The prices are down by almost significantly down by, let's say, 50 to 60,000 rupees, and even more when you consider the original price, which was announced back in July 2018. And yeah, given we know about the BS6 transition in the TVS engine, this should be much more easier, much more calmer than it already was. We'll let you know more about what key issues have been addressed in this motorcycle, and we can't wait to ride it. The host of changes, the EMI plans, the cost effective service cost that BMW is claiming, all of that makes the BMW G310R and this BMW G310 GS a very very competent motorcycle to ride. This is the GS version. It gets everything as same as that, but obviously you've got more travel on the suspension. You've got this enormous grab rail here to keep stuff. This gets the Metzeler off-road tires and knobbly tires, and everything else remains the same. This is obviously the most popular motorcycle, which it was earlier, and now it will be as well. But the Bombay showroom is telling us that the R is also doing really well. But we all have our eyes set on the GS because it makes much more sense. And yeah, it gets black wheels instead of red wheels. I think it completes that overall rugged look really well, despite there is a red frame on offer now here. This is the Rally Edition, which is a slightly higher price over the normal version. And again, the highlight of these motorcycles are they're very extremely high on quality, very well finished. They look really good. They should have the same attributes that they were seeing before, but with this cosmetic change and the most importantly the price structure change and the ownership experience to about to change in terms of monetary as well as way everything else is also changing with the entry level BMW bikes, they're worthy of your consideration. You should definitely look into this. These motorcycles have told us that they are easy agile, docile motorcycles that anybody can ride and have the thrill of riding a 300cc above quarter-liter motorcycles. I can go on and on, but I want to ride them and tell you more about that. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. We'll come with the ride reviews as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.